Hello, my name is Jeremy and I'm with OptiSigns, and I'm going to give you a demonstration on Lift and Learn. So what is Lift and Learn? Lift and Learn is an interactive technology that detects when customers picked up products or presents within a certain range and display dynamic information or signage to that customer. So when a customer lifts up an item with the IoT sensor, it'll change that content on that screen and the customer can get more information, whatever you want to play for that customer. So how do you set up the IoT sensor? So with OptiSigns, we make it very easy, very seamless to set up our sensors. So you'll get your Arduino, Nano, whatever you prefer. You will connect it directly to one of our players. You will wire it to the antenna or whatever you're picking up the value with, and then it will send directly to our CMS system. And then you can map that value with the content that you want to display. So these are the different type of sensors that we have: proximity, RFID, light, pressure, whatever you can find, it'll work with our application seamlessly. So this year at InfoComm, we're partnering with Nexmosphere. So they provided our RFID sensors that you can see at our booth this year. So like I said before, it's an easy setup. You go into your portal, you map the values to our Engage app, you create a new app, Lift and Learn, and you'll be able to set up your external communications with that player as well, and you'll start getting those values and the screens will start changing, and it's as simple as that. So just to recap, so with our IoT sensors, you can see increased engagement, higher conversion, enhanced experience, and it's a simple integration with customers. If you'd like to know more, reach out to support@optisigns.com and we'll get more information to you. Thank you.